Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rewards by inviting friends on the Pocket Broker app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Broker application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After you are taken into the home page, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. You can then see the Pocket Friends option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will open up the Pocket Friends tab. Here you can tap on the Get Your Link option, which will provide you with your reference link. You will also be given your referral promo code. You can tap on the Share button to share both of these with any individual. You can either share the link by tapping on the Copy button, and you also have various different applications that you can share directly through. You may also send the QR code by tapping on the QR code icon. After you share these codes, the person that receives them can directly use the link or your promo code as well as the QR to download the application and become Pocket Friends with you. Once their sign up is completed, you will be given your reward, and it will appear within your Pocket Friends reward section. You may invite as many people as you wish in order to get unlimited rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to earn rewards by inviting friends on the Pocket Broker app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.